In this learning unit, we will look at what employee profile details can we look into and edit when logged in as an admin in the Employees module. To view any employee profile, click on the View Action button. This will take you to the Profile Details page, wherein you can view and edit the employee details. The profile details has been divided into multiple tabs, making it easier to view or edit specific details. Please note that employees can also edit this information on their personal profile. However, they do not have access to all the tabs. We will look at them in details in a separate learning unit. Now, let's look at each of these tabs in the Profiles Detail page from an admin perspective. Personal Info tab. This tab will have the basic employee information such as the name, address, shift timings, bank details, other details, and social media profiles. The Work and Skills tab. You can manage the employee's work details such as the employee's employee code, the department, the band, role, the reporting manager, the company work history, and exit information if any. The project and client details are based on which project the employee is tagged against in the project module. You can add the employee's company work history by clicking on the plus button and adding information such as the department, the previous designation held by the employee, the duration from when to when was the employee working in this department, once all the details have been entered successfully, click on Save. The Work Experience tab. Use this tab to enter any previous work experience of the employee. Education tab. You can add all the employee's education details under this tab. Family details. Under this tab, you can add the employee's familial information and you can also add an emergency contact for the employee. To do this, click on the plus button on the family members or the emergency contact depending on where you want to add the information. Documents tab. Under this tab, you can upload documents pertaining to the employee's ID, education, past work on behalf of the employee. If uploaded by the employee, you will have the option to either approve or reject based on your review of the document. You can view the document from your review, download it, or delete it. Once rejected by you, the employee will have to upload the documents again. To upload the documents, select the document type, click on the Choose File button, select the relevant file, and click on Upload. The Leave section is used by the admins to view, add, or deduct the number of leaves and leave without pay for the employee whose profile is being reviewed. And so, this section is visible to the admins only and not when logged in as an employee. Under the General Leaves tab, you can see the dates on which the leaves were credited or debited, the leave type, the remarks, if the leaves were credited or if the leaves were debited, and the remaining number of leaves. To add or deduct any leaves against the employee, click on the plus button, select the leave type from the drop down. If it is an annual leave, casual leave, restricted holiday, etc., select if the leave is credited or debited, add the number of leaves, and the remarks. Once done, click on Save. And you will see a new line entered under this section. Under the Leave Without Pay tab, you will see details such as the date for which the leave without pay has been applied, the type, remarks, reason for the leave without pay, approval or rejection reason, how many leave without pay were taken, how many were adjusted, and how many leave without pay are remaining. To add the leave without pay for the employee, click on the plus button, enter if it is a penalty or a revoke, add the number of leaves, and the remarks. Once done, click on Save. And you can see a new line added in here. In the Apply Leave tab, you can apply for a leave on behalf of the employee if the employee is unable to apply for the leave due to any circumstances. Please refer to the Learning unit on leaves to learn more about applying leaves.